Yay. What?
We're done.
Why?
Unless you want to watch me do it again.
Okay, let's do it again.
Stop. I wouldn't do that. I'm not afraid to hit it.
Do you want to do it again?
30. Yeah.
30's not on, babe.
I know it's not on.
Let's turn it on. See what happens.
No, it's not.
I've never done it mid-video.
Turn that 30 on and this will go up your butt.
Oh, that's on video. She was just kidding.
Again.
We're gonna put this on YouTube.
Why not?
Yeah, we are. And then you'll have an embarrassing video just like Molly. Oh. The Lone Ranger.
Hey, Renan.
Ah! What? Ah!
How accurate. Look at those two right next to me.
Good job. Hey, look. Yarmulkes.
Stop.
Just pretend I'm not here.
I can't. You're pointing a camera at me. I'll throw like you.
And she did pretty good this time.
Looks like I beat the shit out of you from the video. Can I look that over or something?
No, thank you. Not on camera. Ah.
That was rough. Stop. I'll just leave that one there as a little.
The one that's kind of close to it.
Really close.
It's close. I mean,
It's like practically on it.
good job, babe.
Don't watch me. Stop. I found a good way to throw it, but I look really awkward doing it.
Just do one. Just one.
If you can catch me doing it, you can see it, but
Okay.
don't be sketchy about it. Stop. Stop it. I said one.
Your grouping is phenomenal.
Eat me.
Alright, you want to do one more round?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta get a bullseye this time. You think you'll do
Oh
it?
my god. I don't know. Posiblemente.
Es en español.
Es posible que.
Okay.
Yo tengo a tiempo este.
Okay, what?
Yo tengo a tiempo este. Oh, yo tengo. Wait a minute.
That's pretty good.
I'm gonna get a bullseye.
You're gonna get a bullseye? You can try one more time.
I just don't like pulling them out of the wall. When we get rich, I'm clearing someone to pull my tires. When we get rich.
When we get rich? Thanks. Oh.
Feel that?
Yeah.
You can't see them, maybe. I felt too much.
What? What? Ah! Let's go look at the results.
Oh, didn't happen.
What about those two over there?
Okay, there's a buzzer.
Say bye.